What should I do if I'm injured in an auto accident and the at fault driver was drinking and driving or under the influence of drugs?
It's very, very sad and unfortunate that we see this with such regularity because oftentimes the injuries that can come from an impaired driver, whether it's through drugs or drinking or whatever impairment is, can be horrific. And of course, it's selfish driving. You know, when someone puts themselves behind the wheel and they are impaired, that is being very selfish in the way that they're approaching, because they put the lives not only of themselves but of other innocent victims at risk. And there's so many fatalities that we see from that. Immediately, of course, you have to contact the police right away. Don't try to take matters into your own hands. Don't try to address the other person in a way that is anything beyond looking at injuries. But immediately contact the officers, capture witnesses, names, contact information, because that's going to be very important for the officers to know, for the investigating officers, but it's also going to be very important when you come to meet with your lawyer and we are taking your case and handling it, because what you have are two different types of damages. You got the actual damages for your injuries that happen, but then there's the punitive damages, because this is behavior that is violative of the conscience of the community. And what Jebaily Law Firm is all about is safety. Not only the safety in this instance with you and your case, but we need to make sure that as a community, as people who live in the PD, people who live in the Grand Strand region, that we are doing our best to keep our roads safe for ourselves, for our children, because God forbid, it could be any one of us at any given time that has someone cross the center line and hit us head on because they've been impaired. So get yourself taken care of by contacting the officers and then getting yourself the medical treatment you need and coming to see us right away.